They told me to visualize it, script it, manifest it, say the affirmations 10 times a day, and watch my life change. But no one told me about the spiritual warfare. No one told me about what happens when you stop playing small and actually say, God, use me.